This happy habit is just a crazily fun thing to do. Have you ever had these moments when you're walking on the street and having some good quality time with your spouse, and at one moment you remember something you promised to do but forgot to do it? Maybe you promised to send an email or send this proposal, but oops, you forgot it. So suddenly all your presence with your friend of yours is just gone. You're thinking of how you should do it and you should get it done. But there's nothing you can do on the street. You won't get it done on the street. So why not just mark it in the calendar and get rid of it, work on it when it's working time, just get back to the wonderful state where you were. To interrupt this worrying state, one really awesome thing to do is to do the happiness walk. Happiness walk incorporates a smile, and it incorporates a straight posture, an upbeat posture, and it incorporates walking by moving your hands and legs in an uplifting way. Let me demonstrate how it works. Imagine as if you were a child that's going to the candy store, having these really uplifting steps. Freeze your body. You can't be sad when you're walking like that. And also, by walking in this uplifting manner, you release the tension in your body. And that releases the tension in your thinking. You can even do these crazier jumping steps if you want to. You can develop your own style of happiness walk and use it as a tool to start your enthusiasm on a daily basis.